Alright, what's going on, guys? Back for a quick trade recap video. On M and Q today, we ended up top. You can see up 7-12. We took two trades, one loss, one win. We'll pop up executions real quick. You can see this is the loss. Pre-market, I longed it tapped one of my key levels. I wanted to see a reaction out of it. Honestly, pretty stupid. In hindsight, I should have waited for news to come out around 10, and that's where I actually caught the play. So those are the executions. I took it with 3 micros. It was over 150 points, over 600 ticks. I didn't even realize this till after, but that's awesome. Get rid of some of these lines. So we had our key level down here. Right here, the gold line. We have another key level up here to short. I didn't take this because I was done for the day, but I was live streaming, and I paper traded it, and obviously it played up pretty well. If you hear stuff in the background, it's probably my dog. And that also went for 100 points. Like I said, I didn't take it, but if I did, that would have been a huge day, especially if, I mean, imagine a mini with either of these, it would have been huge. Thousands of dollars for just one mini and one account. Imagine if it was like 5 or 3 or whatever. Let's get to the trade though. So boom, we tapped our key level almost to the tick, like basically to the tick, you can see. I didn't enter there. Waited for extra confirmation, which was the 1 minute IFVG. Enter, break even. You can see on the right side of the screen is the 50% of this fair value gap. As soon as we hit that, move stops to break even. TP being right here. Some of the draws on liquidity behind it. Right here we have 10 o'clock is the data wick, on top of the fact that we just have a huge amount of LRLR built up. I closed like a couple ticks early because ES ended up taking this out prior to us. So as soon as we took it out on there, I just closed. I didn't want to give any profits back. And with SMT, I also had a key level right around here, and that's exactly where we started to see some resistance. So better to be safe than sorry. Did we run up and hit my actual like golden key level? Absolutely. But you know, I took the $90 loss this morning, and I didn't want to give back any profits considering it's only 3 micros. So we de-risked massively. It was just smart, a calculated close. You know what I'm saying? It was a good draw on liquidity, so I definitely could have held, or I could have closed like 2 and let 1 run. But I mean, it's whatever. Future reference, you know. This is all hindsight, but it was a beautiful trade, beautiful execution. I really did want to see some type of shorts around here, this level. I was thinking I had a key level right inside this gap. That I could have taken down here, and that would have been almost 700 ticks. Jeez. But we chopped around for so long. So as soon as I saw that price action, I did not get in because I knew we had news, which I'm pretty sure in the alpha accounts you can't be in a news trade or something like that. Or you can't get in 1 2 minutes prior, 2 minutes after, something like that. And I didn't want to risk the account getting closed or something like that. And either way, I was pretty bullish because once we came down and swept previous session, I wanted to see some type of reaction up. Obviously aligning now with my key level and the IFVG. So beautiful trade. Probably one of my biggest trades ever, considering it's almost 700 ticks and it's over 158 points. That's a pretty big trade, and I didn't even realize that the range was this big until the trade hit, and I was like, is $900 a lot for this considering I'm in 3 micros? So that's $1.50 per tick. So yes, it indeed was a very large range. That is the trade of the day. Hopefully next week. This week was pretty rough. I'm not gonna lie, the start of the new year was pretty tough, but we're locked in. If you guys want to see trades like this live, check out my TikTok. I've been live trading every single day. I'm in there explaining the trades I took, or anything that I'm looking for, and you can see all my key levels on there actively. You can ask questions in chat, stuff like that. A couple people joined the Discord, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, I will catch you guys next week. Peace.